Online tutoring is one of the skills that has been highly sought for since the advent of COVID-19. Welcome to Best Tech, your best bet when it comes to equipping yourself with the right knowledge and skills. Well, before we share links to some sites where you can make some extra cash from online tutoring, you need to make sure that you are fortified for the journey ahead. While you sit back to take a dive with us on this, please do well to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet done so, and click the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever we release informatory videos like this. Online tutoring has an average hourly rate of $20. It could be more as well as less. According to Bramble.io's Getting the Most Out of Live Online Tutoring, insights from 500,000 hours research results, 33% of tutors were university students, 28% were part-time tutors, 17% were teachers who are also tutors, 13% were full-time tutors, 5% were retirees, and from this research, it is safe to guess that you either fall in one of these categories or know someone who does. That is why this video is going to give you a mix of best practices and tips for online tutoring. Get good internet. Internet issues is one of the greatest challenges an online tutor can face. It does not only affect the tutoring session, but can affect the tutor's online reputation and recommendations to close future gigs. The key word is online before the tutoring. Therefore, it is important to make sure the medium through which this will be done is reliably available. Tip number 2. Work in a quiet setting. The environment from which you are launching the session has to be conducive enough for learning. Background noises can be distracting, thus affecting the flow of the session. Keep your environment as quiet and less distracting as possible. Get headphones with noise filtering microphones could increase the quality of your delivery. Pay attention to your tutee is the third tip, and it entails creating a friendly environment such that your tutee can engage fully into the session, while you gently pass across a reminder for phones to be kept away and unnecessary tabs closed. Are you still bothered because you have little or no experience in online tutoring? Keep the worry inside. Your armor is almost complete with the remaining tips. Meanwhile, if you are enjoying the video so far, please give this a thumbs up. Now on to tip number 4, which is focus on key areas of support. In order to deliver a similar experience like that of a face-to-face tutoring session, it is of prime importance to focus on key areas like cognitive skills such as memory, attention, and motivational support. Last but not the least, tip number 5. Understand the framework and guidelines of your tutoring agency. Online platforms have their systems of monitoring and evaluating tutors to ensure better performance on the part of the tutors and a great experience for the student. It is possible to be barred from a platform if as a tutor you violate this moral standard. Did I mention you need a laptop or a desktop computer? Well, take that as a bonus point. Most online tutoring platforms do now allow sessions to be launched with mobile phones. Online tutoring was one of the COVID-safe side hustles in one of our very informatory videos, 10 side hustles that you can start with no money. If you missed it, you can watch by clicking the link on the top right of your screen. Find in the description section of this video sites where you can find online tutoring opportunities. We hope you get the gig you are looking for. If this video has been informatory for you, please click the share button so that others in your circle can also benefit. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Best Tech remains your best bet.